Join me as I challenge myself to clone any voice using free AI technology. Let's see if I can pull it off. Voice cloning has made some crazy progress recently. We can basically replicate anyone's voice with just a few clicks. This tech has been around for a bit, but it's getting better and more accessible by the day. One of the biggest concerns with voice cloning is privacy. I mean, think about it. With this tech, anyone could potentially clone your voice and use it without your permission. It's like, imagine someone calling your family or friends, pretending to be you. That's some scary stuff. There are also concerns about misuse. For instance, voice cloning could be used for scams, or even to say things you didn't actually say. That's why it's super important to have some kind of regulation or guidelines around this tech. But at the same time, it's hard to control. The ethics get even more complicated when you think about famous people or politicians. If someone can clone their voice, that could have some serious implications. It's like, what if someone uses a cloned voice to make it seem like a politician said something they didn't actually say? The potential for misuse is huge, and it's something we need to keep an eye on. For now, it's up to us to be aware of how this tech can be used and to be careful about how we use it ourselves. Free AI technology has made it possible for anyone to try voice cloning. There are platforms like Descript or Voice AI that let you clone voices without needing to be a tech expert. These tools are getting better and more user-friendly, which is both exciting and a bit scary. For example, with some of these platforms, you can just upload a sample of someone's voice and then generate new audio that sounds just like them. It's pretty wild. Some of these platforms are even offering free trials or demos, so you can try it out yourself. Just be careful, because once you hear how easy it is, you might get a little worried about how it's being used. The tech itself is pretty fascinating, though. It's like we're living in some kind of sci-fi movie or something. Let's say I want to clone the voice of someone famous. I could use one of these platforms to do it. I just need to find a good sample of their voice, and then I could start generating new audio. I've actually tried it out myself, and the results are pretty impressive. I cloned the voice of a popular YouTuber, and it sounded super realistic. It's not just about cloning famous voices, though. This tech could also be used for more practical things, like helping people who have lost their voice. Cloning voices could even help with language barriers. Imagine being able to hear your favorite content in your native language, but still sound like the original creator. In terms of demonstrations, there are some pretty cool examples online. Some people have used voice cloning to create realistic-sounding audiobooks, or even to prank their friends. One demo that stands out is a video where someone cloned the voice of a historical figure. It was super convincing and showed just how powerful this tech can be. The voice cloning tech can even be used in music. Imagine being able to create songs that sound like they're performed by your favorite artists. All in all, voice cloning is some wild stuff. It's a mix of awesome and terrifying, and it's definitely something we'll be hearing more about. So, what do you guys think about voice cloning? Should we be excited or concerned? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in more AI-related content, check out my other video on how to use AI to create art.